All right, cool. I started a new video. All right, so what I wanted to do is show you what you need to know for this week's lessons and everything, okay? Kind of aggravated that only one person showed up. Thank you for showing up, Jacob. And I'm going to make this an assignment for the distance learner, so you'll be exempt for that assignment. They have to watch the video, okay? Moving on. So what I'm going to do is, let me make sure I get to the right page now, okay? All right. All right. All right, here we go. Share. All right, so you should have a shared screen in front of you right now, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right. So up here is your major grades. I'll go over that in a second, okay? Then your accent marks are right here, okay? Your TPR list, which is your notes, is right here. Then you have 2 PowerPoints that we did that you just need to go through and read, okay? For the notes, you just have to read, take notes, whatever. That's your notes, okay? For major and minor grades, that's what you actually have to turn in, okay? Now, your TPR list 1 is very important, okay? You basically just go through it, and you still see the TPR list on your screen, yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and you just fill in the blanks. Do your best to translate it on your own at first. Stay away from Google translations, because they'll give you on the wrong direction. Then after you make sure you got the right words, I went ahead and I uploaded the where is it? Let's see. I went ahead and uploaded my copy with all the blanks filled in. Okay.
Okay.
So that's your copy with all the blanks filled in. So you need to match your copy to my copy. That's pretty much all you got to do. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, let's see. When you are doing accent marks with French, okay, the way I prefer you to do it, there's other ways, but the way I prefer you to do it is you have a note in here called accent mark, okay? When you look at the document, it tells you how to do the accent mark, okay? It's really simple. You hold down the Alt key, okay? You hold down the Alt key, then you hit the 3-digit code for whatever accent mark you want, okay? We haven't gone over accent marks yet. Today's Tuesday. We'll probably go over them either tomorrow or Thursday, okay?
Okay.
So basically, but you need to know this to go ahead and get started on your major assignment, which is due Monday. Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
So basically, let's just say you want this E with the accent aigu on it. So you hold the Alt button down, ALT, and you have to use the number pad on the right side. You can't use the ones above the letters. And you hit 0, 2, 3, 3, and it gives you that accent mark. You see how that works? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, alternately, when you're doing your Google slideshow, you can just cut and paste. If you find that easier, I'm not going to babysit you as long as you get your work done.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Now, let's see. Now, your minor grades, okay? Your syllabus, all you have to do is take your syllabus, take a picture of the last page with your parent signature on it, and your signature and your name printed out, and you upload it here. That's due today by midnight. Go ahead.
Yeah, so should I just take a picture on my phone or?
Yep, that's fine. You can just take a picture on your phone and just send it to me here. If you have a way, like a PDF writer program or another writing program that you have to actually sign the document, like on your computer, say you can do that too. Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
However you want to do it. As long as you have this page right here, with your printed name, whatever block you're in. Now, even though you're virtual, you're still assigned to a block because you have to do that so I can put a grade in the grade book. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Did you have your parent signature and then date and student signature and date? That's it. Okay? Um, so that's all you do for that. Now, the mini stories, which are listed right here, I'll go over in just a minute, okay? So let's go back to your major grade right now, okay? Which is your TPR list number 1, okay? Once you get your words filled out for this TPR list, you're going to do, I used to make you do note cards. Obviously, virtually, you can't do note cards. So you're going to do it like this, okay?
Okay.
So I'm going to do one as an example for you, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to put you don't worry about changing the title of the slide because that's you, all right? So let's go ahead and do you, Jacob. Your last name is going to be Sloat, S-L-O-A-T. Put it all in caps because that's the European style, okay? Then you put Jacob, okay? I'm just checking to see if anybody emailed me back yet about the meeting.
I think I had sent in a thing about it, but
Let's see. Hold on for just a second. Let me go back to the. I'm just checking and make sure nobody's trying to get in and I'm not noticing. Hold on. Hold on. Okay, hold on. Yeah, I don't see anybody. Anyway. All right. So. Okay. So, okay. Are you in third or fourth block?
I'm in fourth.
All right. So you'd leave that all right. For anybody else, you would just change that to a 3. Okay. So that's it. Okay. Don't worry about that. That's the date. We'll worry about that later. Okay. Now,
Okay.
I did this. You need to enter the number of the item that you're going to do, the French term, then underneath here, you type in the English. Then you just go to Google and find a picture. It's that simple, okay? I did the first 2 for you, okay? So, and they need to go in order, but I'm not going to fight that right now. So all I'm going to do right now is let's go to the TPR list with the blanks filled in, okay? And let's just do a random one, okay? Give me a number between 1 through 100, Jacob.
67.
All right, let's look at 67. All right, cool. 67 is le ballon, which is ball, okay? So you would go to whichever one corresponds with 67. So actually, I know what that would be. That would be 68. So I'm going to scroll down to 68, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so when you scroll, okay, 68, good. So you're going to change that to 67, okay? Not 37, 67. You're going to put le ballon. Then down here, you're going to write ball. Simple enough, right? So now just go to Google and type in ball or ballon if you want, whatever. And you can use any picture of a ball that you want. I don't care. Is everybody good? So let's just say I like this one. It's colorful. We're going to use this one, okay? You write, if you don't know how to do this, I don't want that, okay? You right click, hit copy image, go back to here, right click over here, hit paste, which is, where's paste? Yeah, paste is right there, okay? Delete this picture, then just slide that over, make it look all pretty and everything. That's it. Simple enough, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Yes, you have 100 something to do, okay? Officially, the list says 125, but I screwed up, and there's no number between 100 and 108. So, yeah, obviously, just don't worry about those. Just jump from 100 to 109, okay? And I need to add one at the bottom here. And yes, you do have to do it. It's violet, which is just purple. For some reason, I left purple out of the colors, and people complained. Okay? All right, so we got that. We got that. Okay, any questions about that?
No, I don't think so. I'm fine with that.
Okay, that's a major grade that's due Monday by midnight. Okay.
Okay.
Now, if you're in the distance learning class, all right, You have mini stories 1 through 3 already. I sent you an email with the keywords, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to go to mini story 1 through 3, okay? Okay. And if you're in the, you have these words already filled out. If you're in a, you not excuse me, you need to copy the words over from your document that I sent you, because I sent you an email from the distant learning class just to the distant learning learners with these words. People in class will get these words in person. Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
All right. So when you do that, okay, just copy the words over. Now, this is the fun part, okay? I'm not expecting you to do all this perfect, okay? You have something called a mini story right here, okay? Taking the key words, you're going to do your best to translate this, okay? Do not use Google Translate because it'll mess you up. But you do have another resource in the assignment called Collins French Dictionary, okay?
Okay.
So click on Collins French Dictionary, click on French to English, type in a word. Let's say you don't understand what the word lentement means, okay? So you hit Control C for to copy it. Go to French English, hit Control V. There it is right there. Then hit search. And it tells you it means slowly. It's that simple. You got it?
Yes, sir.
All right. So you have mini story 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Go ahead, if you're into distance learning, go ahead and do those. I think I assign those are due on Thursday. Okay. Not Thursday, Friday. Sorry. Yeah, Friday. To do on Friday. Okay. So
So should I work on these before I do the Excel spreadsheet or after? Would it be better?
I would do the Excel. First thing I would do is the Excel spreadsheet. Okay.
Okay.
That's what I would do first. Okay. Yes, because this is a normal progression to do these during the Excel spreadsheet, but it's really kind of hard to do this distantly with you know, with you not facing in front of me. Does that make sense?
Right. Yes, sir.
So yeah, so just go ahead and do the Excel sheet first. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. You have any questions or comments or concerns?
I don't think so.
Okay.
Kind of excited to learn French.
Okay. Let me make sure I went over everything. Okay. Yes, 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 yes. And okay, good. All right. So, all right. So now, all right. So, any questions or anything?
I don't think so.
All right, cool. Well, if you have any questions, feel free to email me, and I'm gonna make sure that everybody knows they have to be here next Tuesday for the weekly meeting. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Because it counts as your participation grade. All right.
Okay.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.